All right, welcome to the Nine Dimes Project. Welcome to the Nine Dimes Project. All right, we are in the I think this is the third video on our Get Client series. And this one's how to get clients without begging. And so most freelancers get one or two clients and then sit around hoping the next one shows up. That's not a business, that's a lottery ticket. In this series, we're going to show you how to start freelancing and how to protect yourself from with contracts. Now, we're closing it out with the system that keeps clients coming. Today, we're going to give you a repeatable outreach system that fills your calendar without cold calling, begging, or praying. By the end of this video, you'll have a client acquisition machine that runs every week. So we're not financial advisors, and this isn't financial advice, but this is a system that'll have clients knocking down your door. All right, let's get it. Why most freelancers stay broke. The feast or famine trap. The cycle nobody warns you about. So you get a client and you do the work, you get paid, and you celebrate. And then there are no new clients, and you panic, and you start scrambling. And you repeat this forever until you burn out or quit. The problem is you stop marketing the second you get busy. The fix is a system, not motivation. You don't need to hustle harder. You need a weekly routine that generates leads. Marketing can't stop when you're busy. That's when your future pipeline dries up. Treat client acquisition like a part-time job. Same time, same effort every week. So the 50-30-20 rule for freelancers. 50% of your time, you're doing client work. What you're getting paid for. 30% of the time doing your marketing and outreach, finding your next client. And the other 20% of the time, you're improving your skills and systems. So most freelancers do a 95-5. They're doing their client work 90% of the time, the marketing only 5% of the time, and they're improving their skills only 5% of the time. And they wonder why income is inconsistent. So here's the weekly outreach system. 5 hours to change everything. Monday, doing content for 1 hour, post one piece of content showing your work, a tip, or a result. Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, wherever your clients hang out. And you're not creating content to go viral, you're creating proof that you exist and you're good. Tuesday and Wednesday, direct outreach. Send 10 personalized messages to potential clients. Use the cold outreach framework from the first video, specific compliment, plus a proof, and then your offer. And a mix of 5 cold outreach and 5 follow-ups on previous messages. 10 messages per week, that's 40 per month, and at least 2 to 4 new clients. On Thursday, your referral activation. This is a 1 hour. Message past clients. Say, hey, so-and-so, I really enjoyed working with you. if you know anyone who needs this service, love an introduction. Offer a referral bonus, 10% off their next project for every referral that converts. Referrals close 4 times faster than cold leads because trust is already built in. On Friday, you optimize. So take 1 hour, update your portfolio with recent work, review what outreach got responses and what didn't. Adjust your messaging based on what's working. The system improves itself every week when you review it. All right, so turning one client into 5, the referral and retention engine. The easiest sell is to someone who already paid you. After delivering great work, immediately pitch the next project. Now that your logo is done, want me to build out your social media templates to match? Upselling existing clients is 5 times easier than finding new ones. Or even more. Build a referral engine, ask for testimonials after every project written and screenshot of their message. Ask for referrals within 48 hours of delivery. And that's when they're the happiest. Create a simple referral offer. Send me a client and get 10% off your next project. 3 satisfied clients who each refer 1 person, and that's 6 clients from 3 projects. Create recurring revenue. One-time projects are great, but monthly retainers are life-changing. Social media management is $500 to $2,000 per month per client. And website maintenance, $100 to $300 per month per client. And ongoing design work, $500 to $1,500 per month per client. For retainer clients at $1,000, it's $48,000 a year with 0 client hunting. So the long game. Your first 10 clients build your reputation. Your reputation builds your next 100 clients. Most freelancers quit in the first 6 months. The ones who stay own the market. Consistency beats talent every time. All right, so don't forget our free wealth building tools. The links in the description. And how many outreach messages are you committing to this week? Let us know in the comments. And so that wraps up the freelance blueprint. On Friday, we're starting a new series. Going to turn any income stream into a real money machine that scales. All right. Continue building wealth, and we'll see you in the next one.